it looks like we are seeing you here today for your full body yearly physical exam. Alright, well, it's nice to meet you. My name is Leanna, and I'm the provider that's going to be performing the full body exam on you today. Are you coming in with any concerns at all? You've been peeing a lot more often. Discomfort. You've had history of them? Okay, yeah, no, I completely understand. So we're gonna make sure that we collect a urine sample from you today. So I will show you that. You said burning, urgency, and frequency. Okay, and for how long now? Gotcha. Okay, no problem. We will make sure we get that testing for you. And then I can even send you some antibiotics today at the pharmacy that we have, okay? Awesome. Looks like you're due for just one vaccine. And it looks like you did sign the consents at check-in that you were okay getting that. Okay. Any other, excuse me, any other concerns that you're having? That's it. Okay. And then any changes to your medical history, surgical history, smoker drinking status, okay? Any change to your relationship status? Okay. Any notable family history since we last saw you? All right. And do you know roughly how tall you are? Okay. Yeah. So if it's okay with you, I'm going to start by just getting some vital signs, and then I'll do your exam. We will get that urine sample collection from you, and based off your symptoms, honestly, I'd be comfortable sending you treatment today. Yeah, not at all. I know they could be so terrible sometimes, but all right, let me leave. I'm going to leave my clipboard at the bottom of your bed table here, just because I will have to be taking notes while we do this examination. But of course, if at any point you're uncomfortable or anything like that, please just let me know. All right, so we will start with a blood pressure first. Do you have an arm preference? This one? Yeah, that's no problem. Okay. Is it okay if I just reach over you there then? Alright, if you could slide your arm through that for me. I'll just make sure it's nice and tight. Okay. I'm just going to take a quick listen here. Blood pressure is normal. Let me get the rest of that air out of this cuff, and then I'll take it off for you. A lot of air. All right, you want to slide your arm out? There you go. All right, blood pressure was normal. Yep, it was 104 over 68. So very good. Now, with regards to that possible urinary tract infection, if at any point you start to develop fever, chills, severe back pain, please go to the closest hospital near you because we do worry about a kidney infection. Yeah. All right. Let me go put some clothes on. Temperature probe here. How was your day going, love? Okay, yeah, mine's going well. I'm hoping to have a super productive day here today. All right. Okay, this is just going to go right underneath your tongue. This probe is pretty old, so. Okay, temperature is normal. Let me take this off. Okay, let me just sanitize it here, and then we'll get started on your head to toe exam. Just gonna throw this away. I like a tidy area. All right. We're off to a good start. Vitals are good. So I'm gonna start just by assessing your face and head. So we'll start with like a general inspection first. Are you okay if I start my exam? Awesome. Okay. I'm just going to take a quick look at your scalp and your head here, to make sure I don't see any bruising or masses. And then, of course, you're not having any pain on the scalp. No pain here, right? Okay. Okay. I'm just going to take a pen light real quick just to look at the in between the hair follicles. You're going to feel this little thing here to separate your hair as well. Healthy. Any issues with like itchiness or flaking? Okay, just making sure. Yeah, everything is looking pretty healthy, so that's good. Okay, I think we're done with assessing the hair follicles. That looks good. I am going to take some quick measurements though of your head circumference. So give me 1 second. Pardon my reach. Have the pen light here. I am just going to do a quick facial exam. If you could just keep looking straight for me and try not to move your head, we'll be assessing different functions here. So I'm going to shine this light in your eye. Try not to move. Yep, pupils are reactive, which is good. Do you mind tilting your head back just so I can examine your nose? Healthy, not having any nosebleeds, right? Okay, let me take a quick look at each ear. Any pain when I press on you here? Okay, not seeing any signs of infection. I am going to reach over on this side. Pardon my reach. No pain here, right? Okay. The next thing is I am going to have to take a look at the back of your throat to make sure there's no signs of strep or anything like that. So if you wouldn't mind just doing me a favor going, Okay, gotta take a look at the teeth. I'll ask you when this is not in your mouth. Give me a second. Okay, gums look healthy. Okay, do you go to a dentist often? How much would you say? Okay, it's not bad. next thing here is I am going to want to assess your breathing function. So you are just going to blow in this little meter for me so I can determine the strength of your lungs. Okay. Yep, you'll just place that there. Take a deep breath in and out. Okay. Try again. Take a deep breath in and out. Okay. One more time. Deep breath in and out. Okay, very good. Just write that down here. Next part of the examination is we're going to test your hearing. So if you could close your eyes for me, let me know when you hear the sound, on what side, and when it stops. Eyes closed. Good. Hearing does appear to feel intact. If you could keep your eyes closed for me, I am just going to blow a little gust of air and you let me know when you feel it. It's more of like sensory right now. Keep your eyes closed, let me know. And can you let me know where you feel it? Good. Good. And you're not having any numbness or tingling, right? Awesome. We're going to sense for another sensation here. It'll be a little poke. Okay, so keep your eyes closed and let me know when you feel it. Good. And do they all feel equal as far as... Okay, good. So one side is significantly like harder to differentiate. Good. Excellent. Okay. Neurologically, everything appears to be intact. I am going to take a quick listen to your heart and lungs here. You can start by breathing normally. Okay. Heart sounds are good. I'm not hearing any murmurs. Can you take a deep breath in for me? Take a deep breath in. Breath in. Deep breath in. One more time. Deep breath in. In. Very good. All right, heart and lung sounds are good. Any GI concerns at all today? Okay, I'm just going to move this over a little bit just so I can examine your abdomen. Make sure I don't see any signs of hernia, and I'm just going to press on it a little bit, okay? Okay. Pain at all? Okay, do some percussion. Everything exam-wise is looking good. So I am going to cover you back up there. I do just want to take a look at your extremities here, so don't mind me. Skin's been okay, no concerns down below, no swelling. Okay, just making sure. I am just going to test your reflexes while I'm here, okay? Extremities are good. Can I see your arm, please? Good. Can I see this arm? Good. All right. Excellent. Well, list of the exam findings that we needed. Everything is looking so good. If it works for you, I can give you that vaccine, and then I'll give you some antibiotics, and then I'll give you a cup just to leave a urine sample, okay? Awesome. So we're just doing the one vaccine today that you signed the consent forms for. So do you have an arm preference? You want to do this one this time? Sure. Okay, just going to clean that area on your arm. Hopefully you won't feel a thing. It'll be really quick. Okay. A little bit of airing out time. Got my Band-Aid in hand. Alrighty. You're gonna feel a little poke. 3, 2. There you go. Yep, that was it. I wasn't kidding. Alright, let me get that Band-Aid for you here. If you get any soreness of that muscle, that is completely normal. Alright, very good. Before I forget, let me put your name on this cup. I'm going to leave this urine cup here, so before you leave, please leave me that urine sample so we can send it out for what bacteria you might be having. I will leave that over there next to your table. And then I do have some antibiotics for you. You can get started on your dose today, and then the pharmacy will have a specific refill for you, okay? Yeah, and I'll make sure the girls bring in a cup of water for you so you're able to take that. But that should conclude your physical examination today. If you have any questions, concerns, please let me know. Otherwise, do you have any questions for me before I give you some privacy? Awesome. All right. Well, if you have any questions, feel free to let any of the girls know. Otherwise, it was super nice seeing you today, and I'll see you again next year.